If your Apple Watch is not receiving text, here's how to fix it. Start by making sure your Apple Watch and iPhone are both connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or cellular, and that Bluetooth is turned on to keep the devices synced. Next, open the Watch app on your iPhone and confirm that your messages settings are correctly configured to mirror your iPhone so the text can appear on the watch. Also, restart your Apple Watch and iPhone to refresh the connection and clear any temporary glitches that might block incoming messages. Then, check that Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode is not enabled, as this can prevent notification from appearing on the watch. Finally, test by sending a message from another device to confirm your Apple Watch is now receiving text correctly. For more Apple Watch fix, watch our next video on fixing Apple Watch not pairing with iPhone.